Hello and welcome back. This is Steelbugs Coins, and this is the final one that I'll be doing an update for the gold cards. I managed to get hold of the gold cards that I need, and I've got one complete set in my book which I'll show you in a minute, and I have a second one there, a third one there, a fourth one there, and in this fifth set I only need Kew Gardens and Paddington at the Station. Now these are some cards that I got just recently, so we have here 50 Years of Pride, Paddington at the Palace, which is one of the ones I need. I think, is it Paddington at the Palace or Paddington at the Station? No, it's Paddington at the Palace. So that's one of the two cards I need, so that will go onto that pile there. Paddington at the Palace again. Kew Gardens, that's that one. So now I should have all 10 of this set. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's a Kew Gardens, Paddington at the Palace, Pride, WWF, Paddington at the Station, D-Day, Battle of Britain, Sir Isaac Newton, Platinum Jubilee, and the UK EEC Presidency. So I can now change that, and I'll get another yellow sticker. And I can write the word complete. So this now gives me one set, 2 sets, 3 sets, 4 complete sets of gold trading cards that I can either use to trade or I can use to swap. And I've got Sir Isaac Newton, D-Day, Battle of Britain, Battle of Britain, Battle of Britain, Battle of Britain, EU Presidency. So I've got a second one of those, so I've got 2 spares for that one, 3 spares, 4 spares, and I've got a Paddington at the Palace and a second Pride. So these are spares. Now I'm going to put out a bit of an appeal to you. For those of you who are collecting these cards and need cards for your collection, I have, as you see, I have complete sets of the gold ones, but I also have all of these original ones from the first 4 series, or the first 3 series, is it? We have the, is it 3 or 4 series? Let me just have a look of the original ones, the 50p ones. There's 4 series of 50p ones, and then the 5th series was the gold ones. So these 4 sets of banded cards here are different cards that I have spare from series 1 to 4 of the 50p's. I have some spare cards from the 10-year anniversary gold edge cards, and I have 4 complete sets that I can do swaps with if people desperately need them. I don't actually need any of the cards now, but it's all, you know, we can sort something out. So that's all of my spares. that I have. If you're interested and you need some, let me know the cards you need and I'll see if I've got them, and we can go from there. This, however, is the book. And we start off, whoa, all of Series 1, beginning Series 2, Series 3, Series 2, so again, sorry, that's Series 3, the beginning of Series 3, and the short amount of we've got some extra Series 3 there. A lot of the Series 3 were the Olympic ones that are outstanding. Then we had Series 4. We started the Gold Series and there was 10 cards. Yeah, there's 10 cards. There's 2 on here, which is the EU and Q. We also have the Platinum Anniversary. We have Sir Isaac Newton, WWF, Pride, Paddington at Station, Paddington at Palace, and then the final 2 were Battle of Britain and D-Day. They've announced just recently that there is to be a new series, and this is a £2 series and it consists of 11 cards. We've got the 1986 Commonwealth Games, we've got the 1996 Euro footballs. These are all badly been, when they got put in, they smudged. We've got the 2002 Commonwealth Games from Northern Ireland. We've got the 2003 DNA, the 2005 end of the war in Europe, which is the Magnanimity coin, the St Paul's, the bomblets. We have the Britannia, which has 4 years written on it, although we've not seen 2 of them. It's 2015, 16 and then 21 and 22, but we've not seen 21 or 22 as of yet. We have Shakespeare's Histories, Shakespeare's Tragedies. We then have the Great Fire of London. Those were the 10 that Mackemula originally knew about. We've since found out that there is also a Mary Rose. So I'm thinking the last card could be Technologies, or it could be the new definitive, which is the Flowers of the Nation, or it could be something entirely different. Now the thing with the £2 cards is £2 commemoratives, there is not that many commemoratives. We've not had one from 2016. If they do a second set, are they going to include things like the Jane Austen, the Frankenstein, the RAF, the RAF in the war, World War One, and the Armistice coin that were never actually put into circulation? Are we going to get all those uncirculated ones to add to a second series of £2 cards? These are all things for the future. As I said before, I think they could also do one of the old round £1 or the complete £1 coins, both round and 12-sided ones. They could do one of the £5 coins that they've released. Whether they will or not, I don't know. I think that one will be one that's it's going to be a wait and see, and will probably be the last of the series if they ever produce it. And will they keep up to date and issue coins, say for instance of the 50p's as they've been released, or as at the end of the run of this particular £2 set, will they then do a set of 50p's that have not been released, and the newer ones that come into circulation or have been issued but not released into circulation? I don't know what they're going to do. I'm hoping that they keep on with these trading cards, because I think there's a lot of people like myself who enjoy collecting them. I would give an appeal to Westminster and to the change checker. Could you please issue lists of these coins or of these cards as you issue them? It's, if we know how many there are. Hello, I'm sorry about that, my battery ran out. I would make an appeal to Change Checker / Westminster. These cards are a great set of cards and we do enjoy collecting them, but one of the problems we always have is, you say there's going to be 11 cards, and it's a real ball ache, to be honest, to try and find out what the 11 cards are going to be. As it is, I still don't know what the 11th one is going to be. We saw some of them on the advert that gave us sort of 9 of the options. The 10th one I saw, somebody said, oh, I've got the Mary Rose, which is not shown on the actual pictures of the coins that you were talking about, the trading cards you were talking about. So we still don't know what the 11th one is. As collectors, it is really annoying not knowing what we're looking out for, because if we can't get them through you guys, you need to get them in the secondary market, and if you don't know what the name of the card is, it's very difficult to do it. And as a completionist, it really annoys me that I can't know what I'm looking out for and what I'm trying to collect. So please, if you possibly can, put us out of our misery and tell us what the cards are going to be when they are issued. When you issue a series of 11, give us the 11 names of the cards that you're going to issue. It would make it so much easier for everybody, and we wouldn't be forever second guessing and hoping a card that we particularly want to see is one of the ones that we can't find out what it's supposed to be. So, having said all that, if you've enjoyed this video, can you please give me the thumbs up? If you are if you've enjoyed these videos of mine and you haven't yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? I am aiming for 425 by the end of 2024, and I'm currently on 275, I believe. So I have a little way to go and just over 11 months to do it. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. For those, until we meet up again on this channel, which I will hope will not be too far into the distant future, remember there are 6 videos a week, or sorry, 5 videos a week minimum, usually 6. So I look forward to seeing you again in the very near future. Until that time, from me, thank you very much and bye bye. Ta-da now.